Guys, it's Bethany Bold here, and today I have a big haul. I just came home from the Giant and from Agway, and I bought a couple things for the pets. And as you can see, there's a fence set up for the chickens. So yeah. So I'll get started with the haul. So first thing I got Cookie Dough was this Super Pet Combo Toy Burger Bites. And I really wanted this, and yeah, and it can go in the kebab. And it's for hamsters, rabbits, guinea pigs, or other small animals. And it just has loofah and then wood. It can go in the kebab and it's part of the play. And since Cookie Dough is pretty bored now, he doesn't have too much toys, I got him this. So yeah. So yeah. And I believe this was $2.49. I don't have the receipt, but I know all the prices. Next, I got him some treats because he's kind of running well. And these are the KT Alfalfa Nibblers, the berry. And it is a crunchy treat for small animals. And I heard really good reviews on these. And I probably will give half of these a month or a week. And I heard really good reviews on these. And he loves berry. So yeah. And these were $2.99 from Agway. Next, I got him the Super Pet Combo Chews, and this is the natural keep healthy and teeth trim, and has apple sticks and then a little loofah piece of corn, and I'm pretty sure he's going to love these. And I heard really good reviews from the hamster blog that her hamster loves apple sticks. So yeah, it's all natural wood. Loofah comes in a variety of fun colors and shapes, promotes healthy teeth and gums. So it's pretty good. And those were $2.49 as well. Now for the chicken stuff. And all this stuff is from the Giant for the chickens. I picked up some brown rice, and this is a big bag. It is really big. So, and they really like brown. Bold is right there, waiting for her things. Bold! She's just walking away. So yeah, they really like this. And never get them white rice because it's really bad for them. And then the last thing I picked up was this big bag of bread for a little treat. And they already had some this morning, so I just got another bag. So yeah, and yeah, it's a big bag. So yeah, that was all that I got today. So yeah, please comment, rate, subscribe, and request, and do some more reviews because the contest is super soon. So yeah, hope you enjoyed.